right. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, guys? Let me get you this link. Good to see you guys. What up? What up? What up? Let me just get you guys this link real quick. What up, guys? What up? Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the chat. What's up? What's up? We're gonna start charting right now. So let's go right over to Tesla. And I kind of knew we were already gonna have this day. We're already seeing a down. Yeah, I kind of had a feeling we were gonna drop. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Pre-market high for the day. Pre-market low. Okay. Right now we're charting, guys. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, good morning. We're charting on Tesla right now. And I'm going to zoom out to see if we have any bounces or resistance. That's one of them right there, which we just passed. Okay, that looks like that's going to be the low for the day. We're going to let Tesla make it high. So let's see, let's look at which ones, which options. What's up, everybody? What's up, what's up? So for Tesla, we're going to look at some puts. Man, those are not, oh, they don't have any 0 DTEs today. So we may have to go a little lower into like 370 so that way you guys can get some contracts. 370 put, and if we do calls, $402 calls. Man, those are so expensive. Alrighty. Let me know you guys are on with me. See what you guys are looking at. Let's go take a look at SPY. Same thing. SPY is in a downtrend. QQQ is flat. Alright, let's head on over to Robinhood. Check out Robinhood. Good morning, guys. Good to see y'all. What up, what up? So the options are a little more expensive today. And that's because they're actually not 0 DTE, so it looks like they don't have any today. So just hang tight with me. If we do call, we're gonna do 402.5 call. Unless you need to go up, just go up a couple more dollars so that way you could get the right one. We're gonna do a 370 put. If we go down. Right now we're just chopping, watching it. What's SPY doing? SPY sets 0.6%. SPY's not looking too well. Let's pull back real quick. Excuse me. Let's see this 4-hour chart real quick. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we do have a drawdown. So let's see. We are in a drawdown, so maybe if we hit this VWAP, it actually might show us a good entry point. Yeah, that actually might be a good entry point right there. Let me see. I know it's gonna drop. Alright. Alrighty. Here we go. Still watching. Not entering yet, just watching. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Alright, we're letting it make a high. So that's why we don't take trades. Right now it's just chopping. Alright. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute is doing. Yeah, it's just chopping right now. No, I didn't. Let's do that now. I just put it in there for you. Again, you may have to choose one depending on your account size. So we shall see. We shall see. Wow, Nvidia's moving fast. All right, we have not broken out yet. We have not broken out yet. Okay. All right, Tesla broke even. Now we're at zero. It says 0%. So let's see. Who knows? We may have a break towards the upside. Yeah. Yeah, go up if you need to. The call if you need to go up a little higher. Totally cool. Let's mark out our SPY real quick. I still feel like it keeps wanting to drop. But we really haven't broken out of the range at all. We need to be careful. So we're just chopping right now. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm just looking at other charts right now. I'm looking at ASML. SPY. I'm looking at what they're all doing. What's SPY doing? we wait. We still wait. We be patient. Yes, April 24th. It doesn't look like they have any 0 DTE today. Which is totally fine, totally fine. We'll be good. We shall be good. Tesla's chopping right now. What's SPY doing? SPY's creeping up on the ORB. QQQ, ASML's down. All right, we got some movement on SPY. If we do SPY, we would be looking at a day option. So today, if we do SPY, we'll look at 713 call, and if we do a put, we'll look at a 707 put. That's if we do a put. But right now we're actually watching SPY because it is tickling the ORB. And it looks like Tesla is starting to rise as well. So they're both tickling the ORB. Tesla is showing heavy resistance. Heavy resistance. I mean, who knows? I think it may break towards the downside. It has a lot of pushback. But we are patient, fellas. We are patient. We let the trades come to us. What's SPY doing? Did SPY break? Not yet. Not yet. We almost there. We almost there. Tesla, SPY. What's QQQ doing? Yeah, everything's kind of just chopping right now. You know what that means? If everything's chopping, that means everything's consolidating. People are getting liquidated. And that means there's going to be a heavy push towards one of the upside or downside. So let's see what happens. Where are we at? Where's our VWAP? Okay, Tesla just bounced off his VWAP. The VWAP is at 392. But that does not mean anything right now. All right. SPY's on the move. SPY's on the move. Tesla's also on the move. Tesla's on the move down. That's not enough momentum though for me. Those little candles, that's not enough momentum. Remember, we want to trade with the momentum. So what is Meta doing today? Not much. Let's go to the 15 minute. Let's mark out that candle. All right, Meta sitting at the top of its candle. What is ASML doing? Nothing. QQQ's chilling. Tesla and SPY. Okay, so Tesla and SPY going in the opposite directions. Good morning, everybody, by the way, for those that just jumped on. We are looking at Tesla and SPY right now. Excuse me, guys. I got a little allergies, a little my nose, a little plugged up. All right, I believe. Yep, we just saw a break with SPY, so we're not rushing into anything, guys. There is no rush into anything, but we're gonna look at some SPY calls. Okay, I didn't mark it on here, so let me mark it on here. Wait, we're gonna wait for the pullback, everybody, for SPY. We don't want to get trapped. Do not want to get trapped. 713 for SPY. Yep, that's what I got, so it should be good. So right now it's at 50 cents. Again, we're gonna wait for that pullback. Wait for that pullback. And there is a pullback, so let's see if it comes back. And if it tests it, then we're good. If not, if it just drops, then we're gonna wait. I still think the momentum is going to go up. Patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Let the trades come to us. I have a feeling it's gonna want to liquidate people. I have a feeling it's gonna drop below that ORB, and that might be a good time for us to enter when it drops below. We shall see. Unless it's a full reversal, but we shall see. I don't think it'll be a full reversal, but we will definitely figure out right now what's going on. We'll keep an eye. Tesla looks like it wants to drop. It's just chopping right now. It's a little cold in here. I got my sweater on today. Alrighty, SPY's looking good still. Let's go. What's up, Rob? Right now we're watching SPY. SPY already broke our ORB. We are just waiting right now for SPY. Once I see a little momentum, I may ride the wave. We shall see. I was waiting for a retest. We did get some pullback, but not enough for us to enter yet, because we are starting to see it level out in the MACD, at least on the 1 minute chart. 5 minute chart, we're looking pretty decent. Still got some ways to go, but we'll wait. Tesla's chopping right now, so we're waiting on Tesla until we get our trade. Look at that, literally. Yeah, it depends on how much money you got for contracts. That's how far it depends on my calls and my puts. Normally, if you have the capital to be able to trade basically in the money, close to it, or in the money than you normally want to. That's normally a good sign, because the big money moves are in there. But today, with the Tesla calls, we ain't got the money on those ones. All right, let's keep watching this bad boy. Tesla is swinging up now, and it's chopping. It is chopping for its life right now. We are not trading that chop, all right? I will gladly wait for a good break. Yeah, the reason why I didn't take that SPY trade is because I'm not really seeing the momentum yet. It's not really not really that big of a trade for me yet. And who knows, we may get a retest. If we do get a retest, then we could enter. I know. I can't believe they don't have any zero DTEs today. It's all good. It's all good. I'm kind of hesitant to even take a Tesla one because they are a little expensive. I may take it in my Roth, but we should be good on either QQQ or SPY today. SPY is already looking good. It's just we just gotta wait for our confirmation because now we're chopping. I want to see a clean breakout. We haven't really had momentum yet. It's just small candles today. So like we're coming back to retest our 15-minute ORB right here, but again, like I said, it's just not enough momentum for me to feel comfortable yet. So let's keep on trucking for the minute. The SPY call 713 call is sitting at about 48 cents right now. Yes, yeah. This is telling me that there's not a lot of volume right now. The big guys have not stepped in yet. Yeah, we're watching. We're just watching right now. Tesla's chopping. SPY is now chopping again. There goes the SPY. The SPY is breaking downwards. Or was that maybe just a love tap? Now the SPY call is at 45 cents. All right, we have a break. We have a break upwards on SPY. Tesla's coming into the positive range as well. Now we're up, pushing towards the top. My camera may die, guys. I have the weaker battery in there right now. Yeah, I don't like that. Even though on SPY we're above the 15-minute, I just don't like that it's chopping like that. There's not really volume right now. Once I start seeing the volume pick up, for sure we're gonna jump in. But today, just be careful. Just be careful. I tell you guys, capital preservation. We wait for our trade. And you know what? Give me. Let me see. Nah. Okay. Here we go. We might be seeing some volume increase right now. Yep. I like SPY. Okay. Let's wait for a pullback on SPY. So let's put an order in on some SPY. This one I'm gonna start light. Let's go. Let's go 3 contracts. Let's go at point. Let's go. Let's put it in at. See if we can get it at. Hold on. Let's not put it in yet. I'm gonna do hold on guys, hold on. I'm just watching that candle, Yeah, for the call. Yeah, SPY calls. I'm just waiting because we're seeing a lot of sellers step in. So, yeah, I would have gotten liquidated if I would have. Well, not really liquidated, but let's go. Let's go at 0.46. Hold on. Yeah, let's put it at 0.46. We're gonna buy some SPY calls at 0.46. See if it taps it for us, which it did. So we're in some SPY calls right now. An argument could have been made that I got in a little too early, which I may have. All right, we're in calls right now for SPY. So let's see. We shall see what's going on here. now we're watching. Remember to have your stop losses, guys. Excuse me. Alrighty. With SPY, this low-key could be a long one. SPY normally takes a while. There's the volume. Alright, we're in SPY calls right now, fellas. Hopefully you guys are in with me. And I didn't really buy that big of a position size today. Even in my Roth, it's not really that big of a position size. So I'm okay with letting it run for a little bit, or we shall see what happens. But let's see. Let's keep it going. We're at 20%. Alright, and you know what? I might end up selling because I am seeing a pullback. So let's try to sell at points. Oh, Lord Jesus. Here we go. Alright, what kind of pullback is this? That is a big pullback. Sellers are stepping in way too heavy on that. All right, I haven't sold yet. I'm still holding. And that candle was scary, guys. Yeah, hold. I'm still holding two. It keeps pushing. It keeps pushing back at that 71108. It doesn't want to push past that puppy. I just don't want it to break on us and then we lose our gains, you know? Yeah, we're hitting a brick wall right there at that 711 mark. 71116. Oh, shoot, the battery died. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. One second, 1 second. Switching out my battery. All right, here we go. The camera should be up any second. No signal. What's going on here? There we go. We're back up now. All right. Okay, our call is losing its power. So, yeah, I'm not liking this chart, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might get out of it. I might get out of it and do something different. So I got it at 46. It's at 48 right now. I just don't like that we're getting some major resistance off of that 711 number. If we could push past it, great. But we're not pushing past it. It's bouncing off of it. So I think I'm going to sell it at 0.50. And you guys are welcome to hold if you want. But yeah, just to be safe. Or actually, hold the phone. Hold the phone. Is it going to push past? Okay, it looks like it's pushing past. All right, well, let's keep holding then. It lied to us. I'm gonna put my sell order at 0.50. If it hits it, it hits it. Alright, it looks like I just got filled in that. So let's take a look at Tesla. Spy's taking a little too long for me today, guys. Oh, Tesla, we actually broke. Look at that. We're over here stuck on Spy, and Tesla's doing its thing over here. Man, Tesla snuck in under our noses, man. Look at Tesla. And it's making a huge push. Let's see what we about to do. What we about to do with Tesla? Tesla's moving, guys. Tesla is moving right now. Wow. We've got some force behind that. It just broke the ORB. It's testing it right now. Let's see this. Let's see this. Okay, we might be able to have a good entry point right there. So the reason why I got out of that SPY call, it wasn't moving. It wasn't moving the way that I wanted it to. So we're gonna see what Tesla has to offer today. $395 call, awesome. It's a big drawback right now. So 395 is looking pretty good. We just have to see where it's gonna stop at because they're selling off. It went up and then it's coming back down. So let's see what happens. And in our options account, we have $400 to play with because that SPY I didn't take too big of a thing. So. So it looks like Tesla didn't hold the ORB, so now we're on a downtrend. So let's see what happens. Maybe people are getting liquidated. Either that or, yeah, that was a big fake out, guys. See, this is why you have to make sure it bounces. Because if it did not bounce and we jumped in on that Tesla call, woo, we would have just got smoked out right now, guys, like bad. So, let me see. We got 6 people watching. So we already took a SPY trade. We had a good winner on that. So for me, I had 2 wins on that. I know some of you guys had in the chat some wins on that. Now we're looking at Tesla. Tesla's breaking down, and it looks like it was a fake out upwards. So let's see. Let's see what happens with this, with Tessie. Let's see what happens with Tessie right now. And ASML is down 0.62%. I'm interested to see if it, okay, it did break. It just broke the 15-minute ORB. Once I see momentum, I may even jump in on that. We'll see if that's for my Roth because that's going to be a lot more. QQQ's up 0.33%. Now it's on its swing down. SPY, yeah, SPY is dropping now, so good thing we got out of that. That was a short, even though that was a small trade. That's okay. Alrighty, good job on selling the SPY. Or if you're still hoping for it to go up, I don't even want to say buy more. I mean, you could buy more, but well, yeah, it looks like it just retested that ORB. So who knows, if you're in SPY still, maybe you could have added to your position. We shall see what happens there. But I didn't like SPY, so we sold, and now we're coming. I'd rather take a small win than a loss. So we're good there. Let's see what Tesla's gonna do. Tesla is chopping still. Now it's inside of its range again. ASML, where's that? It's back at 0.62. Okay, yeah, ASML's not doing nothing. Nvidia's not doing nothing. Until SanDisk is crazy. SPX not doing nothing. Gold is not doing nothing. I feel like the markets are a little slow right now, which is fine. They're probably waiting for something. I feel like there's something going on today. With Tesla, we may see the swing up now. Who knows? Who knows? Today may be a little longer of a day trading because there's not that much going on. Excuse me. Bro, hopefully you aren't. Hopefully none of you guys are in that SPY call right now because that SPY call went down to 36 cents. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that SPY is dropping now. It might even be good jumping some puts, to be honest. All right, Tesla, where you at now? I'm telling you guys, when something does break, it's all gonna break. It's chopping right now, but I know it's chopping for a reason. People are waiting. I haven't seen big money come in yet, or big volume. Volume hasn't really come in yet, which is fine. Sometimes it takes a little longer. Now would be a good time though, guys. Is during these moments, test out for those of you guys that are doing sim trading. Test out some of your sim right now. Test out some quick scalps. Test out buying, selling. This is where you practice. So even if it doesn't fully make sense, try to do what you think is good. Again, when you're sim trading, it's okay to make mistakes. Things are gonna happen. Um, so let's see though. Tesla is ugly. That is so ugly, bro. How do you chop right there in the middle of nothing? What's SPY doing? SPY kind of stopped. Now we're bouncing back up. ASML is still doing the same thing as well. Chopping. Meta. What's Meta doing? Chopping. Today's a chopping kind of day, fellas. Totally okay. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient. We shall be patient. Look at that. Look at that candle, guys. Look at that. It's literally, that's so funny. Look at that. The business keeps on going. All my scheduled posts went up. And we are good to go. Scheduled videos yesterday. It posts by itself today, and we are good. Yeah, timing is important. Timing's definitely important, but you don't want to rush into those trades. Just be careful. Are any of you guys still in that SPY, or did you guys sell that SPY with me? Where are you guys at? Let's see what you guys got. taking it easy right now. We're chilling. We're chilling. Tesla, chopping. Nothing exciting going on. ASML, Meta. Let's see. I'm just interested. I don't think I'm gonna trade it, but let's just see what. Amazon's up 2%. They're chopping. Chevron's down. Adobe. Where's Costco? What's Costco doing? It's only up 0.2. Oh, Costco's got a nice little rise going to it. Okay, Costco. What about PLTR? Ooh, their chart's looking nice. Man. PLTR doing it big. Okay, I see you guys. I see you guys. Alrighty. We're actually on an upswing with Tesla. Excuse me. I grab my iPad real fast. While we wait for the charts, get me in focus. There we go. We're still watching, guys. We're still watching. And who knows? I mean, dude, honestly, if a trade does not come to us, no trade is better than a losing trade. So I will gladly take, what do we get? $40 today. All good. Some days are like that. I'd rather have $40 than negative something. That's a dub. That's a dub in the chat, if you ask me. Alright, cool. That's good to go. We're good here. Excuse me. Who knows? Maybe I could. Yeah, we still got plenty of time. I'll still stay on here. We'll still have some fun. QQQ is moving now. Let's just mark out the 15-minute with QQQ. Okay, so QQQ is above. What's Tessie's moving? Tessie. Alright, Tessie's moving up towards ORB. What is our 1 hour? Oh, we don't even have 1 hour on here. Let's go over here. What is our 1 hour showing us? Or you know what? Let's go 4 hour. Our 4 hour is showing us that we're actually red. Let's go to our 1 hour. And then now let's go to our 15. I think I want to enter a put as we get to the top. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. Still watching, guys. Still watching. Yeah, man. I don't know. I may not even trade Tesla at all, dude, because it is just chopping away. SPY's going down. It's at 0.23%. Let's see. What are our contracts at? Yeah, that SPY is at 30 cents. Good thing we sold. Hopefully you're not in it still. At some point, something's gonna have to break. Let's see. Is there any news? Oh, this makes sense why no one's trading. Because they're supposed to make a deal today, I think. Excuse me. Honestly, there may not be movement for a while. I think what was there supposed to, something was supposed to happen today. Something was supposed to yeah, there's I remember seeing something at 8:30. There was supposed to be like some type of news or something like that. Let me see. Tesla's pushing back up. Let's see what happens. And honestly, now that I think about it too, Cash P is in trial. What's that? Oh, is he really? Let's watch this guy. I'm watching K Capitals right now. This guy already always has something to say. 10 o'clock news.
Then 30 there's some Fed speakers talking, 2:30 some Fed speakers talking. So when Fed speakers are talking, they're essentially talking about interest rates. They're talking about inflation numbers, and also there's earnings on Tesla, and a lot of names will be like big money will be watching the Tesla earnings. Tesla earnings, I believe, is tomorrow. So you're going to be keeping an eye on this as well. All right. So now we are getting into the earnings season. The markets are all-time highs on a lot of big names. This pre-market hasn't made a massive move. So I kind of like when the market opens flat. The reason being this hasn't been big money being transacted. So we can see the pre-market high, pre-market low. But the only fucked up thing that's happening in the market, everything is opening in the middle of yesterday's range. A lot of names are opening in the middle of yesterday's range. So you got to keep an eye. SPY, QQQs mark the all-time highs, above all-time highs. Watch kind of like every $1 move for the upside. And otherwise, I believe we know what we're doing. Just don't do dumb shit. One of the hacks that I tell everybody is like, think like your 10-year-old kid is sitting next to you and you're trying to teach him how to trade. Would you take this trade if your 10-year-old son is sitting next to you? Would you be able?
All right, he didn't really say much, but it is helpful. That I do agree. Tesla's earnings, yeah. When is it? When does it come out? When does Tesla earnings come out? Tesla may not move today. Dang, should we get risky and just buy some long calls? No, I'm just kidding. It's already pretty high. we're chilling, guys. We're just chilling together. Defamation of character. Interesting. The NASDAQ is up 0.35%. Gold is actually down 1%. Meta's looking good so far. Netflix is still in the dumps. Ooh, my goodness. They were at 108. Now they're at 93. Oh my gosh. They just lost all their progress. They'll gain it back. Yeah, being that there's news and stuff, we may not start seeing big like this is all of this chop right here you guys are seeing. That's telling me this is all the smaller traders, the retail traders, people like us that are trading, in between the lines. I have not seen the big institutions step in yet. Even SPY's going down. SPY is. There's not a lot of volume today. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's not. I don't really know. I mean, at least we're able to get our little trade in. You know what I mean? We're still up for we're down for the week. For the month, we're up. But I shall take that. At 8 o'clock is when I'll hop off the stream. But if there's any plays that I do see, I will definitely put them in the chat. Tesla, we're getting a breakdown. Get it? Breakdown? Just kidding. QQQ is pretty high. QQQ is pretty much at all-time highs right now. I know this might sound weird, but I'm kind of looking at some QQQ puts, but for expiration date 4/27. It's at $1.60 right now. And if we get some bad news, we could get a sick drawdown. I don't think I would take that. Tesla looks like it's starting to move now. I'm starting to see a little more volume come in. ASML's down 0.60%. So yeah, it's not. Yeah, even ASML is not even moving, and that's normally a big one. This is one of the most ugliest charts I've ever seen in my life. What is the 1 minute looking like? Boom, 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 boom. $130 gain on SPY sim account. Nice. What are you on? SPY puts? What are you on? SPY puts or calls? Puts? Oh yeah, got it for sure. Yeah, SPY is looking like it keeps going down. That's a good play. That's a good play on those puts. I'm starting to see the stock market pick up a little bit. We're starting to see some moves coming in. Watching, guys, watching. How we feeling? How we feeling out there? You guys bored yet? Cause this is the boring part. It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, maybe we get to a point to where we're like, you know what? It's just not worth it taking a trade. Still in a Tesla trade. Nice. What are you in? Tesla call or Tesla put? What are you in? And you're bold, low key. Trading this chop right now. That's bold. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, this is the time to practice. So have fun. Yep. This is the time to practice right here. Have some fun on that sim account. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. Have that fun. Have that fun. We'll know. We'll know when big money steps in. We will see it. We will see it. Shout out Tessie. Bessie and Tessie. Alrighty. Sorry guys, I know we're doing a lot of waiting today. I want to get you guys a good trade. SPY is going down. Yeah, actually, it might be good to jump into some SPY puts. It's actually a good call, Tyler. Yeah, you know what? That's actually not bad. Let's jump into some SPY puts. I'm not sold actually. Let's see. Actually, you know what? If SPY could break the ORB bottom, we might have it. We might have a play to the downside. To be honest. What's Tesla doing? Tesla is making a move downward. Nah, Tesla's not doing nothing. I don't even know why I'm getting my hopes up on Tesla. All right, we're seeing a big push down with SPY. The SPY. Whew, that SPY calls at 15 cents. Crazy. Tesla's on the move down, fellas. Tesla is on the move down. I think I'm starting to see the momentum. I'm personally gonna wait until SPY breaks that ORB, and then I'll switch to puts. But I'm liking what I'm seeing with SPY right now. Good call on those puts, Tyler. Good call, good call. ASML down to 0.81. Yeah, if Tesla does, yeah, if Tesla could break 390, will be solid for puts. Chopping. Nothing exciting about Tesla. Nothing, absolutely nothing. All right, fellas. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off the live stream. If I see any trades, I'll report it. If anything, though, who knows? Maybe I may not take a trade today. I mean, well, I took one earlier, but I'm gonna hop off Discord or hop off YouTube. Like I said, if I see any trades, I will definitely let you guys know. But we'll talk soon. Again, today actually was a slow day, and it still is slow. So if we see some momentum during the day, I'll keep you guys posted. But all right, y'all, talk soon.